All right, you got the most important part out of the way. Now we got your 1988 San Lorenzo. Luckily, it's not the
most important part that you got out of
bread and butter, baby. You're French, right? Come on now. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And we got white olive truffles.
Ooh, that smells great in here, actually. Oh, Mr. Savoy is spoiling.
You have a good taste.
Please, chef. Love it.
Very delicious.
Wow.
Oh, you look so
Hey, he'll do it for you. You have him here, use him.
For the rest of the night, just give me bobsled. All dressed up for tonight.
Of course, ready to party.
So, okay, seven of them, no?
How many years have you been here?
7 years now.
7 years.
It flies. I didn't. We actually inherited this. I inherited it from the old wine director. Look at that cork, man. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful cork. It has been some time now. And that cork, I can't believe, is so much better than the 95. Hey, you know though. You know.
This one I thought it might break, but no. It's,
I mean, that is like that.
I think if you did it to Durandon, it would have broke.
I agree. You know what's good is that this now, because you put the other one on your wall. Did you guys save the 95 cork?
Oh yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, as much as we could.
Yeah, understandable.
Not super good at the leaves.
Yeah, we kind of glued it. Yeah.
That's okay. It's beautiful color. Wow.
Yeah, we're on the I. We're on the I. We're going to the A. So we're almost
Oh, wow, no way.
there. Yeah. That's all Gaja corks.
That's so cool. Wow, okay, that's amazing. And this wine smells incredible.
Smells good.
Oh, yeah.
So at some point you gotta get.
See, no, I'll take care of you, I promise. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Mr. Savoy was definitely interested in what you got. And I was like, it's a great, this is Mr. Gaja in here, okay? That's your name, not only for me, but on the internet. You're Mr. Gaja, just so you're aware, okay? I can save this for Mr. Savoy if you would like. I have it here for you. And I'll have him come in and you guys can just have a cheers. Here.
Yes, of course.
There you are, chef.
Oh.
Santé.
Awesome.